So hey guys, today I'm here to introduce a brand new program which is already launched on the 10th of August, whose name is SiteTravelPro. So in this video we will discuss what is SiteTravelPro, what is used for, and how SiteTravelPro helps to make money online without any hassle. So stay connected at the end. So guys, due to COVID-19 it seems like everyone had to stay home for a long time and they have desired a trip, a vacation as soon as they can. The data shows travel is surging as many countries loosen their COVID-19 restrictions and reopen borders. And when travel is evolving rapidly, travel websites are becoming a rage for booking everything from city tours to luxury hotels to last-minute flights. And here is the opportunity to make money from people who want to travel. That's why SiteTravelPro has come with the amazing money-making opportunity for us. So SiteTravelPro is the first to market one-click app that creates a completely automated travel affiliate website in less than 60 seconds. It instantly loads 7 lakh plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, 40,000 plus top places to visit, 1 lakh plus car parking in just one click. This travel affiliate site includes the travel plan from A to Z, provide the site visitors with a complete and convenient experience. And it has hotel bookings, flight searching, place searching, and car parking searching. And I bet you visitors will come back again and again whenever they have a trip plan after seeing the site so convenient and useful like this, and you can make a big profit from this. And another interesting thing about SiteTravelPro is that it doesn't need you to have any experience in the travel industry, as it does all the heavy lifting for you. You can create as many travel websites as you want, then sell them as well. So here we are on the sales page of SiteTravelPro. You can see this is one-click app. Auto creates a self-updating travel website in less than 60 seconds. So if we scroll here, you can see some benefits of SiteTravelPro. This is AI-powered software, activates your own travel site in just one click. Target up to 1.4 billion travelers and drive them to your website on complete autopilot. Get started immediately to create your first travel affiliate site. Pay once, profit forever without any restrictions. 100% hosted on reliable cloud server and optimized for seamless mobile usage. There is no bar of age, skill, and experience. 169 beta testers have made $30 million plus in affiliate commission with the SiteTravelPro, and it is 100% legal and ethical way. And they will also give you 30 days money back guarantee, which will make this very risk free. And they will also give you free gift. First 100 buyer also get a 30 reseller license worth $1,997. That's the biggest opportunity to make money online. And here is my quick review of SiteTravelPro. I hope you have got all information about SiteTravelPro. So if you are interested to trying this online money making strategy, so I have put the SiteTravelPro link in the description box so you can easily check it out. And if you buy this software through my link, then I will also provide you my $1,000 worth of premium bonuses, which would be very beneficial to make money online industry. So don't forget to use my link. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next review. Until then, chase your dream. Thanks for watching.